Hi everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2023 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Platinum located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this Highlander is called Windchill Pearl. This vehicle also has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine that puts out 243 horsepower with a towing capacity of 1,588 kgs. This Highlander uses 6.6 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior features. So first things first, we're going to take a look at the driver's side interior door panel. So up at the top here, you can see you have this nice wood trim here. You also just down below it have a nice gray Softex material down below it. Over here you have your seat preset, so you could have your seat set a certain way and somebody else who drives your vehicle could have a seat set a different way. Down here you have your power windows, your power locks, child safety locks, power adjusting mirrors, and power folding mirrors. And then down below you have a nice compartment with a cup holder in it. Jumping over here to look at the front interior. So as you can see, the upholstery is leather. It's a leather trimmed seat. You also have a nice Softex leather steering wheel. And you have power seats for both the driver's seat and the passenger seat. The steering wheel is heated as well. You could just turn it on just right over here. Quick look at some of our steering wheel audio controls here. So these arrows right here, this is how you can control the digital screen. You can go back on the digital screen, make a phone call, adjust the volume for the radio, and you also have voice recognition. Over on this side, you have your rear cross traffic control, your lane departure alert, your cruise control. Here you can adjust your cruise control. These arrows here control the radio station, and then for the mode, you can flip it between FM, AM, Bluetooth, or satellite radio just by touching this button here. Quick look at the odometer. Here you can see right in the middle, so it's all digital screen, so you can see right in the middle you have your temperature, the time of day it is. It will tell you how many kilometers per hour you're going and also which gear you're in. You also have your speedometer and your fuel gauge. You also have your temperature gauge for your coolant. And then you have your power level for your hybrid engine as well. Looking over here, you have a 12.3-inch touch screen. So we do have FM on it. You do also have satellite radio. And then if you flip down here to go to settings, you do have Bluetooth in here. And you also have Wi-Fi in here as well. You do have a navigation system, but because this vehicle is brand new, the navigation system has yet to be set up, but you do have one in here. Now, quick look at the backup camera. So you have a bird's eye view backup camera. Just dropping down here to look at some of the controls, you have heated and ventilated both driver's and passenger seats. You have your rear window defrost right here, which also controls your heated mirrors. And you can adjust the fan and everything just by clicking these buttons right here. You also have a wireless phone charger just down here. The vehicle is also push button start. Down here you have a nice little compartment with a USB-A port and 2 USB-C ports. Plus you also have a 12-volt outlet just right here. You also have that nice wood-like panel right here. Here's some cup holders just adjusting down here. You do have different modes. So you have your traction control, you also have your trail mode or your EV mode. You can also switch it to sport, normal, or eco. Just opening up here, a little hard to see, but you do have a 12-volt outlet right there, plus lots of room. You can store your purse, your wallet, or your phone in there. Quick look over here on the passenger side. As you can see, you have your power windows and power locks on the passenger side door as well. Down here, you also have a nice big glove compartment. On the rearview mirror, you also have, it's hard to see right here, integrated garage door opener, and over here, auto dimming rearview mirror. And last but not least, you have a panoramic moonroof. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're going to take a look at some of the exterior features. So first things first, up here you have your premium LED headlights. You also have your LED daytime running lights, which you can see at the bottom there. You also have LED fog lights just coming up along the side. You have 20-inch alloy wheels. You also right here have integrated turn signal mirrors. Now we're gonna go and hop along the back, take a look at the trunk. Just hit the button there, the trunk rises by itself. All right, now looking in, you can see all of the room that you have in this trunk back here. So here you also have, these are your all-season floor mats. So these are your lock nuts for your wheels. You have your all-season floor mats. And then right here you have your cloth floor mats. Back here you also have a 120-volt outlet. Just right there. You also have a few tie-down cleats. So you have 2 at the back and then 2 just up at the side. So you can also see where you have your cup holders. That's because you have an additional 3 seats in the back here that fold up just like that. This also right here is your tunnel cover, so it will latch on right here. And then you can pull it back and it can latch here. So if you have any groceries or anything, and if you hit the brakes quickly, nothing's gonna come flying up in the back seat. Then to close it, you just hit this button here, and then it'll close just like that. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior rear features. So just like we do in the front, we're also gonna do in the back. We're taking a look at our driver's side rear interior door panel. So back here, you also have the nice wood paneling back here and the nice like Softex-like gray material. You also have your power windows, a nice handle, and at the bottom, a small compartment with 2 cup holders in it. But you also have this on the window. Nice little sunshade, especially if you have little ones in the back seat. And it just easily folds down like that. Quick look at the rear interior. As you can see, the upholstery is leather trimmed seats as well. Now these seats do easily fold down. It does take 2 hands. I only have 1 hand at the moment. So you would start by flipping this little handle up. The seat will fold down just like so. Then you're gonna grab this handle here and the seat folds all the way down just like that. You also have a nice little pouch in behind the driver's seat, 1 in behind the passenger seat as well. You do have 2 cup holders right in between the captain's seats. Looking over here, you have heated seats for your captain's seats, and you can also control the temperature and the heat, so the AC and the heat back here. So you don't have to constantly tell the person who's sitting up in the front seat to turn the heat up or turn the heat down. You can control it back here on your own. Then looking right down here, you have 2 USB-C ports, and you also have a 120 volt outlet as well. Quick look over here on the passenger side. You can also see you have power windows on the passenger side door as well. And then here is where your air vents are, just right up above the window in the back seat. And the moonroof also goes from the front seat all the way to the back. All right, folks, that was a look at our 2023 Toyota Highlander in Wind Chill Pearl. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comments section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.